In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo a Docusign signature. Whether you're looking to update your signature style or correct an error, following these steps will help you achieve that effortlessly. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Docusign website. It's the top destination for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you've arrived at the homepage, take a moment to find and click on the Login button, which is typically situated at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials to access your Docusign account. Remember to keep your login information handy for quick access. After successfully logging in, you will arrive at the Docusign homepage. Here you'll find all your document activities neatly organized. Your next stop is your profile. Look for your profile icon, often represented by an avatar or your initials. Click on it to explore more options. As you navigate, click on the option titled Manage Profile. This will direct you to a new page where you can handle various aspects of your account. Now, cast your eyes towards the left-hand sidebar and locate the section labeled Signatures. Click on it to open the area where your signatures are stored and managed. This page allows you to review all the signatures associated with your account. If you have multiple signatures, each will be displayed here for easy management. With your signature list in view, find the edit button near the signature you wish to change. Clicking this button is your gateway to modifying your existing signature. This is the point where you can express creativity or make necessary corrections to match your preferences or meet document requirements. Make sure the new version of the signature is exactly how you want it to appear on documents. Whether you're changing the style or adding a more personal touch is your chance to customize it just right. Once satisfied with your edits, save the changes to ensure they reflect accurately on your future documents. And that's it. You've successfully redone your Docusign signature with a few simple steps. Having an up-to-date signature is vital in maintaining professionalism in your document transactions. The ease of making such changes on Docusign exemplifies the platform's user-friendly nature, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your documents and agreements. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more actionable tutorials. Happy signing.